Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Tech W3 Wave. This is Vijay Kumar. In the previous lesson, we have to learn how to fetch all of the related list of record in LWC. So in this lesson, we will be see how to use wire decorator in the Lightning data service. So without writing a single code of upper class, we will be fetch the record of account in LWC. So first we will be create a LWC component name as a data service via LWC, and then I will be display two fields of account, that is a name and phone. So let's jump to the my VS Code. So this is my VS Code. So first we will be create a component. The component name will be this data service via LWC. So control should P create Lightning Web component, write the pass the name of the component and enter, select default LWC and click. So component has been created. So the JavaScript file is by default open. I am opening the HTML and metadata. So in the metadata I will be pass the first will be I expose equal to true, and then add target. Inside the target use target where you want to display this component. So target lightning record page. So this component will be visible on the lightning record page. Then save. After saving this metadata file, go to the JavaScript. So in the JavaScript I will import the module. So import curly bracket get record comma get field value. From Lightning UI record API. So after importing this is the name of the get record, and this is the get the value from UI record API. This is the name of the module. So here it is a predefined module of the LWC. After that I will get the field name. So here I will import the field name. Import name field from Salesforce schema account dot name, this one. So I am importing two field from account. So copy this line and import phone field, and here is the instead of the name write phone, this one. So I am importing first I am importing the module UI record API, then I am importing the two fields, that is a name and phone. In the export method, first I define it @API record ID. It is a store of the current record of account ID. If you defining @API in the export, the import method it is a automatically include. After that I will use wire decorator @wire. So if you define @wire in the import method, automatically import in the bracket use the here pass the property get record, this one, comma, here pass the curly bracket record id, colon, single quote, dollar, record id, after that, comma, fields, colon, square bracket, and pass the both fields. So here I have two fields, name fields, comma, phone fields. So passing both of the fields in the square bracket, and here write a property record and semicolon. This is a adapter. So it has stored the data and error message. So after declare the wire decorator property, I need create a two function type variable that will be passed into to the HTML. So here get name, this is a function type variable in LWC JavaScript. So here will be return, it will return true and false. If this dot record dot data equal to true, then it will get field value. This record data comma name field, this one, colon blank. So this type of the variable function return true and false. If this record data true, then this will be pass the this record data and passing the this name field. Otherwise it will be return blank. So this is the use for name. I am creating another one variable function that will be phone, and here will be data, this value will be passed the phone field. So this variable function will be used in the HTML file. So now I am deploying this code to the Salesforce org. The code has been deployed successfully. Now move to the HTML file. So in the HTML file, first I will define a lightning card. In the lightning card, I will define a title, use data service, I am giving the title, use data service in wire decorator. Icon name equal to custom, colon, custom 17, and here I will display the value of the account, phone and name and phone. So I will use div container div class slds wrap slds grid. So it is a predefined class in Lightning Design System. So the first column I will define name, and second div I will define phone. So I creating in another one div class equal to slds call slds size 6 of 4 of 12. In the div, I will use Lightning formatted text to display the value. Lightning formatted text, this one, and value will display in that curly bracket. So first, this is the name, and this is a phone. So name field will be displayed from in this property, and phone will display in this property. So this property will pass in the value phone. So this is the name. So this is the pass in the value name. And copy this div and paste here, and this phone value will be passed in the Lightning formatted text value will be passed the phone. So I am displaying two type of value, name and phone. And this name and phone will be coming from this variable. So now I am saving the both of file. I am deploying this code to Salesforce. File has been deployed successfully. Now move to the my Salesforce credential. So this is my Salesforce credential. This is my account. Opening any of the account. So I'm opening first one and edit the page. Now I am calling my LWC component. So my LWC component is data service via LWC. This is my LWC component. This component will call top right side. So drag and drop here and save. Layout has been saved. Then go back. As you can see, the name and phone displaying in the component. So the name is a w3wave.net account. So the name is this, and the phone number is this. Is opening another one account. Suppose I am opening this one, take w3wave. So here is phone is not appeared, so phone is blank and name is a display. So I am opening any of another one. So if phone is not available, so phone is not. If you putting the name here, so phone will be automatic display. So after updating this record of account, the phone will be automatic populated in the right side. So in here I am retrieving the value of account, phone and name using the data service without using the apex class method. So friends, if you are stuck in any type of issue to using the wire to creator in the Lightning data service, please write in comment box, and don't forget to check and subscribe my channel Tech W3 Way. Thank you.